In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue with Wix, where your site reloads involuntarily when clicking on a button, specifically when dealing with duplicate cases. This is a fairly common problem that users encounter, but it's often solvable with a few simple steps that I'll guide you through. To begin with, let's address your browser settings. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred browser on your computer or device. Once your browser window is open, your focus will be on accessing the settings section. Usually you can find this by looking towards the upper right corner of your browser window, where you'll typically see three dots or lines, commonly referred to as the menu or options button. Click on this and look for an option that says settings or preferences depending on the browser you're using. When you've opened the settings menu, your next task will be to locate the option to clear your browsing data. This option is crucial because things like cache and cookies or small pieces of data stored by your browser can sometimes cause glitches with how websites behave. Inside the settings, scroll down or navigate to a section called Privacy and Security or something similar. Here you'll often find a button that says Clear Browsing Data. Click on this to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the section for clearing your data, you'll usually see a few options to select what you want to remove. At this point, you'll want to ensure that the boxes for cached images and files, as well as cookies and other site data, are checked. Carefully review these settings, and if you feel unsure, remember that clearing cache and cookies can make some sites load more slowly afterward, as they need to redo certain background tasks. After you have everything selected, go ahead and confirm that you want to clear this data by clicking the appropriate button, which is often labeled as Clear Data or Delete, and may require you to wait for a moment while your browser processes this request. With your browser now all tidied up, return to your Wix site. Try performing the action with the button that was previously causing reloading issues. With any luck, this simple troubleshooting step will resolve the problem, and you should no longer experience unwanted reloads. If clearing your browsing data doesn't fully solve the issue, it may be related to how your site is set up or server-side issues, and further investigation may be needed. However, these kinds of browser-related errors are often fixed through these clearing steps. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has helped resolve your Wix button click issue. If you have other topics you'd like me to cover, be sure